Hello, Jonathan.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
Sir Bobby Robson, which is a special needs school in Ipswich with year 10s and 11s. My name is Jonathan Earle and I'm the Director and Lead Instructor, also known as the Bushcraft Man, and I've been an outdoor instructor since 2003. Back to Basics has a trusted reputation, delivering bushcraft, outdoor education and common sense. We teach safe, fun and educational activities, building on skills through activities including firelighting, foraging, axe throwing, air rifles, shelter building, water, knots, tree identification, first aid and much more. The benefits of outdoor education, in particular bushcraft, are immense. It can help develop confidence, nurture new skills, assist with well-being and helps your mental health. We bring a real passion to share knowledge, understanding and enable everyone to succeed. I have written activity outdoor learning books and achievement progress booklets that help students, teachers, SMT and stakeholders track and cross-reference academic progress. Therefore, we can link directly with the outcomes of Ofsted and are there to be partners in assisting you progressing your pupils. We run adult training courses, including school activity leader training for teachers and teaching assistants. These courses are CPD accredited and with ongoing support allow the school staff to teach outdoor learning with confidence.
So I thought I'd do my intro video now. Welcome back to the channel. Much appreciated you clicking this video. Totally different, not camping or anything like that. I'm at the River Orwell in the Orwell Woods, and Jonathan is out here teaching the kids bushcraft, which is what I'm going to be hoping to do for the future. Teaching the kids or adults mental health, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you. So basically, Jonathan is out here with me. He teaches bushcraft to young students. These ones they have mental health issues such as ADHD and stuff like that. Just come out here, and one of them went into the river, but because it's so far out, you can stand on the muddy part, but he went a bit too far and lost his shoes. Great times. Guess who slipped up the hill? Drop me hot chocolate as well. Let's get back to Jonathan. just wanted to update you with something. I'm going to be doing a bit of a giveaway with Cameron from USG, Urban Survival Guys. He's offered to give me a Needham mat, what I have. Yeah, I'll give one away to a lucky winner. Could be you. I'll keep you posted on that, so keep your eyes out. There we go, we're basically all done. Thanks Jonathan for bringing me along with him today.
Pleasure.
Hopefully do some more. Cheers, mate.